In this video, we're going to make an organic rose water that you can literally make, anybody can literally make at home. All that you need is some rose petals and some distilled water, and you can make your own rose water. So rose water has many benefits for the skin. It reduces wrinkles, it brightens the skin tone, it prevents the skin from sun damage. Our sisters who are Asians use rose water a lot in their skincare and healthcare. They actually drink the rose water a lot, and even when you drink it, it will beautify your skin internally. So you drink it internally and it will show on your skin externally. Rose water, this rose water that we're going to make, it will get rid of any damaged skin, and it's the only natural remedy that can treat damaged skin. Making rose water has fundamental medicinal properties for the skin. If you have anything like redness in the skin, rose water will take it away. It balances the pH of the skin, and it will also help to treat any minor skin injuries that you may have. So these are the rose petals. I just ordered it from Amazon and it has just arrived. So as we all know, for centuries, roses have been a symbol of love. However, that is not the only use, as the skincare industry uses rose a lot because of its medicinal properties for the skin. It actually refreshes the skin, and as we make this, you're going to see. So there are different kinds of roses. The one that I'm using today is called the Rosa Damask, and is one of the high varieties of rose. Its medicinal properties are just unbelievable for the skin. The ancient Greeks and Romans alike used to have aromatic baths with this particular brand of roses. So here I'm going to talk about 9 ways or benefits for the skin. So you can use it as a skin toner. That's what we're going to make. And this will help to cleanse the skin of dirt and pollution. It will also soothe your skin, as it will help you to retain moisture, and it will also reduce the secretion of too much oil. It will act as a sunscreen, and you can actually, once you put it on your skin and you go in the sun, it will act as a sun block. So you can make a sunscreen. This liquid that we're going to make will actually be like a sunscreen. You can add something like glycerin depending on your skin type. It will also help to fight acne. So if you know you're prone to acne or blackheads, this liquid that we're going to make will help you to fight acne. It prevents dark circles around the eyes. So once you soak a swab of cotton in this water that we're going to get, you can put it on the eyes overnight, or maybe for 20 minutes, and it will help to take away the dark circles under the eyes. And then finally, it will uplift your mood. So if you're looking for something to uplift you, hey, check out this rose water that we're going to make. So get yourself a glass bottle, and then you're going to take some of the petals, around between 10 to 12 depending on how much you're making. So I'm just going to make 100 ml of this rose water. So that's the amount that I've taken. That was 12 of them, and I'm adding distilled water. So remember, it has to be distilled water, not water from the tap or from the bottle, so that the distilled water will be able to extract all the properties, the medicinal properties from the petals into the water. And you leave it overnight, and the next day you are going to have your rose water.